Bonjour les amis, are you tired of dry and flavorless chicken wings? Because I am. So say goodbye to the bland wings and hello to finger-licking goodness with this easy and delicious recipe that guarantee juicy, flavorful chicken wings every time. If you are watching my channel for the first time, welcome. My channel is full of recipes that are tasty, but quick, easy and cheap to make. For this recipe, you will need some chicken wings, garlic, lemon, honey, cayenne pepper. You can do it with chili if you want, peppers and some salt. This recipe is easy and cheap to do it. So as usual, you're going to find at the end of the video all the recipe with all the steps to do. If you are like me, you like cheap and easy recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cooking recipe and don't forget to ring the bell. Like that, you're never going to miss a very good recipe. So now, let's start to cook.